Now we got something completely different. This is a 3D printed airplane. It's called the MB33X. The guy who designed it is LSPlanes, Lorenzo something. He's, I believe, in Italy. But gifted designer. This thing was easy to put together. It flies well, and we'll see if we can get a little bit of video of it. It is surprisingly good. It's a little 50mm fan. And yeah, I've really been enjoying it. I've got about a half a dozen flights on it so far. It's got little places for your fingers to launch it. This is going to be an interesting launch because the wind is coming from behind us. So I'm actually going to have to kind of launch it towards the pits, but I'm the only one here, so it doesn't really matter.
Motor armed.
All right. Now I've got a little launch mode here that holds some up elevator for me. So here we go. Wait. Okay. There we go. And this little dude zips along. I'll try to keep it in close so we can see it on the video. That's half throttle. This is a little 4-cell 2200 HRB pack on a $25 value hobby fan unit. Under half throttle there. That's full. I mean, it just goes. Got a Free Sky FR6, I think. No, S6R, whatever. It's a 6-channel with the gyro. It's a stabilized receiver, so gyro is on. Of course, as usual, I did the first flight without the gyro. It's fine. It doesn't need a gyro. In fact,
Gyro disabled.
this is without gyro. Definitely doesn't need the gyro.
Gyro active.
Does feel a little smoother, of course, a little bigger with the gyro turned on. Full throttle here. It's quick. It's probably doing 70 miles an hour. I don't know.
2 minutes.
But half throttle is just fine. I haven't noticed any tendency for high-speed stalls when you crank it. You can crank it around tight. Doesn't seem to do anything dumb. Rolls are great, very axial, both directions. Oops, I think I might have hit a temperature cutoff there because I got no power. Ooh, we almost got the trees. All right, I'm gonna get her on the ground. This is an older speed control, and it's done that to me before.
1 minute.
So I may have to spring for a better speed control. Oh, that's way too far to walk. This thing glides forever. Power off there. It still slid past me. That's a fun little jet. I like it.